believe it. If your life feels like a mess and you feel stuck, you're just 21 days away from a complete reset. No fluff. No vague advice. Just a clear and practical game plan to take control of your life. I've been there. Broke, unmotivated, and watching my life slip away. You wake up tired even after a full night's sleep. You have big dreams but never take action. You feel driven yet lazy. You procrastinate on everything that matters, then beat yourself up for it. But here's the truth. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. And that journey starts today. Week 1. Remove the garbage, not just in your room, but in your mind, your habits, and your environment. For the next 7 days, cut out toxic people, doom scrolling, and excuses. Clean your space, your room, your car, your workspace. A messy space creates a messy mind. Audit your circle. Who's lifting you up and who's pulling you down? If they're not pushing you forward, they're holding you back. It's time to let go. Do a brain dump. Write down everything that's messed up. Money, health, relationships. You can't fix what you don't face. Now, break one bad habit, just one, cold turkey. Whether it's smoking, junk food, or endless scrolling. Cut it out and replace it with something better. Swap Netflix for a book, chips for something healthy. Week 2. Build new habits. Now that you've cleared space, it's time to rebuild. This week is about setting non-negotiable habits. Fix your sleep schedule. Move your body every day. Eat clean and with purpose. Track your money. Grow daily. Read, learn, listen. Small, consistent actions lead to big results. Week 3. Build momentum. You're feeling stronger, more in control. Now it's time to level up. Eliminate distractions. Focus on making money. Pick up a side hustle. Learn a high-income skill. Step out of your comfort zone. Take cold showers. Wake up early. Do hard things. Because real growth happens in discomfort. This is your wake-up call. You don't need a miracle. You need 21 days of relentless action. No more waiting. No more starting Monday. Start now. Your future self is begging you to take control. Pretty easy.